Welcome to another episode of Charlie Drives.
Sorry, the wind is awful in this particular shot, but basically what I'm saying is it's pretty early in the morning. This was 7:30, and yeah, a little bit crazy taking the Boxster so soon after having the engine problems that we had before. So we'll see how it goes. All signed on. Going to go do this, the noise test in about 10 minutes, and then do the driver briefing, and yeah, going to get underway, and fingers crossed we don't have any mishaps like we did last time. It's important to note at this point that prior to arriving at Snetterton, I've prepared the car accordingly, checked all of the levels, made sure that there's enough oil in it. Actually, the oil was running a little bit low, so I topped it up with some slightly thicker 1040 oil. After the track day, if the car survives, I'll probably do an oil change, check the oil filter, yeah, put new oil filter in, and book more track days. So this is the first outing after the sighting lap. You'll be able to see from this that there is hardly any grip at all. The frost had only just lifted off the track, so still very cold and very slippery conditions. I'll be honest with you here, I kept the PSM, which is the Porsche Stability Management, on for the morning sessions. It was slippery, and we had quite a few people went off, so unfortunately there was Lotus Exige that came off that had to be recovered, had a pretty bad front wishbone damage. There was also an incident with a 996 GT3 which unfortunately hit the barrier. He lost the back end and basically was facing the wrong way and kissed the barrier from behind. So I've been out already. It's really slippery and cold still on the track. So yeah, just gonna let it dry up a little bit. Check it out. The tarmac is super slippy. The tyres on the Porsche are pretty crap anyway. So I think they'll be way better in the dry. But so far the car's doing all right. I'm not really pushing it. So we've got Rob back now. We're not gonna blow it up again, right?
Sure.
I am taking it easy. Okay.
If we do, I blame Alex's brother.
No pressure. Okay.
that's about all it can take.
Oh yeah, I know. No more than 2,000 RPM.
Yeah. Still running it in.
Yeah. This place.
We've got further than we did last time.
Yes! Results! No chattering this time, mate.
No. No bangs.
So slippy, isn't it? It's so bad. There's just nothing. It has nothing. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
It's okay.
It's just really greasy.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah, and it, like as you know, as you could tell by that after the chicane, nothing. There's no grip.
No.
Especially that part of the track. Nothing there. So that's the third outing now. Let the tyre pressures out a little bit. So it was a little bit freaky to sort of drive in the slippery conditions, so let the tyre pressures out, see how we get on now. The track's drying up, so hopefully we should get a bit quicker, a bit more confident. That was us. Not so long ago, that was us getting towed. Yeah. We know what that feels like, don't we, mate?
Flag. We'll see what it is. We've lost. What have we lost now? Exige.
Yeah.
And it was a Janetta, was it? Yeah. So we'll see what the next thing is.
PSM is now turned off while we go after the McLaren and try and keep up.
So it's been a successful day. I'll let you know when I get home. But Douglas, you're the man. The car survived. It's been awesome, really, really awesome day. The sunset. So, cheers, mate. Take care. But yeah, we have one track toy. Generally felt great. Didn't miss a beat. Brakes didn't really fade that much. So yeah. If only we hadn't blown the engine up the first time, I'd have said that a Boxster, Porsche Boxster, is a bargain to have as a car. And there's Simon. See you later.
See you later.
Take care, mate.
Has it started?
Hey? Bye. Oh, has that started?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I'm sure it will.
Just make sure.
Shall I? Mate, I need some fuel. Yeah, that's the only thing. It's all good. See you later, mate. Bye. So yeah, bit of fun. Car's doing well. Lifters are making a bit of noise, but no, generally all good. I think it's going to be too dark to do a bit of a drive in the car on the way back with the GoPros on, so I'll do another video. But if you haven't seen the blow up series or the blow up video, I'll include a link to the playlist of the engine rebuild, and I'll also include a link to the actual video where I blew it up. But generally, all in all, very happy with the car. It's done really well. Let's hope that I get home in one piece without running out of fuel. Bye.